Hello everyone, welcome to Phú Hào, where we share green solutions for modern living. Today we're going to explore a product that's making waves in the clean agriculture industry, Cocopeat from Phú Hào company. Let's discover the wonders that this product brings. In an era where climate change and environmental concerns are becoming global issues, Cocopeat has emerged as a friendly and sustainable solution. In the USA, Europe and many developed countries, Cocopeat has replaced traditional soil in clean agriculture projects. Did you know? Cocopeat is not only great for plants, but also helps recycle coconut fibers, significantly reducing agricultural waste. Every year, global agriculture produces hundreds of millions of tons of waste, from crop residues, livestock byproducts, to discarded plant materials. A large portion of this agricultural waste, if not properly managed, ends up being burned or dumped, contributing significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, soil degradation, and water pollution. Among this waste, coconut husks are one of the most abundant yet underutilized resources. Traditionally discarded or left to rot, these husks actually contain a valuable material known as cocopeat. By processing coconut husks into cocopeat, we not only reduce agricultural waste, but also create a sustainable, eco-friendly growing medium. Cocopeat has the remarkable ability to hold water up to 7 times its weight, ensuring plants remain hydrated without being overwatered. It also improves soil aeration, promotes healthier root systems, and is completely biodegradable. What's more, the use of cocopeat aligns perfectly with the global movement toward regenerative agriculture and circular economy principles, where waste is reimagined as a resource. Companies like Phú Hào are leading the way in this transformation, turning coconut waste into high-quality cocopeat that supports sustainable farming and gardening around the world. A perfect choice for clean and sustainable agriculture. Let's conduct a small experiment to test the effectiveness of using cocopeat to revive a plant and help it grow stronger. Cocopeat product need. Know first, cocopeat can hold water up to 7 times its weight, keeping plants moist without the risk of drowning. Second, it increases aeration, helping roots develop stronger. And most importantly, it's a recycled natural product, completely eco-friendly. So, what makes cocopeat so popular? Cocopeat is also becoming a hot trend on TikTok. Many plant lovers have come up with incredibly unique and inspiring ways to use cocopeat, from adorable mini pots and vertical gardens to eco-friendly interior designs. Notably, Phú Hào company has also produced a creative and visually engaging video that highlights the benefits of their high-quality cocopeat product. Their content not only educates viewers about sustainable planting, but also showcases the versatility of cocopeat in modern gardening. Let's explore some of these viral videos and dive into the world of boundless creativity that Cocopeat inspires. Thank you for joining us on this green journey today. If you're looking for a safe, effective and sustainable agriculture solution, don't forget to choose Cocopeat from Phú Hào Company. Be sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell to not miss our upcoming videos on green agriculture trends.